United States government passed a resolution that September 11th will now be known as Patriot Day. Today is September 11th. Today is Patriot Day. Now they passed that resolution in part because they wanted to remember what happened 12 years ago. Use today as a time to reflect on the tragedy of that day. But it's not only a time of remembrance, it's also a time for celebration. A celebration of the American spirit. What I want to do this morning is talk just a minute about the American spirit. And start by talking about our American flag. We say the Pledge of Allegiance to that flag each and every school day. But we haven't taken a chance yet to talk about the flag itself. It hasn't always looked this way, but today it has 13 stripes. 7 red, 6 white, representing the 13 colonies. There are 50 white stars, each representing one of the 50 states of our Union. Now in 1777, when the Continental Congress first commissioned the construction of the flag, they didn't specify what the colors red, white, and blue would stand for. Since that time, authors, poets, writers, they've all speculated as to what those colors symbolize. Some say the color blue represents perseverance. The color red, valor and courage. The color white, unity and compassion. I want to pull 2 of those words this morning. Courage and compassion. Courage is doing what's right, even if you're afraid. 12 years ago, we saw firefighters, first responders, regular people act with a tremendous amount of courage. Second word, compassion. Looking out for and taking care of each other. So as we celebrate Patriot Day today, as we look at our American flag, remember those 2 words, courage and compassion. This morning, our 4th graders are going to present a song, both by singing and signing. It's a song that I hope will give you time to reflect and encourage you to think about ways you can be courageous and compassionate.
All I got. write a thank you letter to the fire department.
I'm going to walk dogs, make brownies for the neighbors, and pick out their weeds.
Walk my neighbor's dog.
Plant flowers in my neighborhood. Making a meal for my neighbors. Cook food for my neighbor. Help my mom walk the dog every other day. Bring cookies to the Ronald McDonald house.
Make dinner for the fire station near my lake house. Give some of my allowance to church.
Make a lemonade stand and give them money. I pledge to volunteer for the Patriot.
I will donate food to the soup kitchen. I will thank a firefighter for his service on 9/11. I will go to the local fire station and thank the fireman for his services. Make a big poster for the fireman and go to the fire station and give it to him. I will walk my neighbor's dogs and clean out the spider webs at my house.
Pick up trash in a public place.
Wash my mom's windows in the basement.
Write a letter to a fireman.
Do free car washes in my neighborhood. Help out at a soup kitchen more so.
Make a lemonade stand and donate it to charity. Pledge to make cookies for the residents of the Ronald McDonald house.
I will write a thank you note to firemen saying thank you for your services. Visit my uncle who is disabled. Take out my neighbor's trash. Donate soup to the local soup kitchen.
To thank the local fire department in person and make them a poster. I will use my birthday money to donate food for the soup kitchen.
To make a drink stand and to give the money to local firefighters. I will walk my neighbor's dog for 7 days.
To help out at animal shelters and local horse barns.